The difference between Uziza seed, that is pepper Guineense and black pepper. As you can see, the black pepper is, this is black pepper by the way. The black pepper is bigger than the Uziza seed. But for some reason, a lot of people mistake both to be the same. They are not. This Uziza seed is very intense and has more of the peppering than the black pepper. This tastes very different from this. This has a very mild taste that you can hardly pick it up more than you can pick up this Uziza seed. So they are not the same. They are very, very different.